construct a line segment, and array given 2 points. First, let's talk about what these things are. So when we talk about a line, it extends indefinitely both directions. So think about something, and you can see the arrows on both ends which show. So we would say, if this is a point A and this is a point B, then we would say this is line AB. Here's the notation, AB, because it goes through those 2 points with those arrows on the top. Now that differs from a line segment, where a line segment is just a section of a line, where it has actual endpoints where it stops. So if we would say this is line segment CD, and it has a finite space, the notation for that is just CD with a line. You'll notice the difference of arrows with the line, endpoints with a line segment. Now with array, we have an endpoint on one side, and it goes just on forever in the other. So we could say this is ray EF. So notation, we're going to have an arrow on one side showing the direction. So it starts at E. So you can see the endpoint at E and the arrow that goes through F, so it points towards F. All right, so let's draw line AB through A at -2, 4. So -2, 4, this point here is A, and B, 3, 2, here's B. So to draw the line through that, I'm just going to connect these 2 points, and then I'm going to put arrows on the end. Because it's a line, it's going to go on forever. A line segment CD at C, which is at 0, -2. So this here is C. D is at 4, -4. That's here, 4, -4. So that's D. Now with it being a line segment, we're going to start at one, go to the other, and stop. It is just a section of a line. And let's draw ray EF, where E is at -5, 0. So here's E. F is at -2, 1. So here's F. So because it starts at E and it goes to F, it's going to continue through and have an arrow. So the arrow is going to go toward F. Now, last, let's write correct notation for line XY, line segment MN, and ray PT. Okay, so when it says line, lost my pen, line XY. So I have X, Y, and because it's a line, we're going to put those arrows on it. Remember, the line indicates goes in both directions, both ways. So XY with a line over it, arrows going in both directions. For MN, it's just a segment. So I have MN and then just a line over it, like a line segment over it. So no arrows, just the segment with the endpoints. And last but not least, we have ray PT. Whatever comes first, that's where the endpoint is. The second letter indicates that's where the arrow goes. So the endpoint starts over the P, the arrow will go over the T. So ray PT.